Morning, everybody. Now there's water coming from the sky today. We're going to have some rain out there. We currently have some in southern New England right now. Here, really not seeing so much. What we're instead going to be seeing throughout your morning is some fog outside and some clouds. Clouds outside currently across the entire state outside of the county right now. We're going to see a cloudy start to your day and a foggy start in addition to that as well. Visibility down quite a bit because of that. Many areas, Lewiston, Sanford, Augusta, Rockland, Bar Harbor, down to a half a mile or less. So it is dense in many places outside, just some patchy fog. So be aware of that as you start off your morning. As we progress through the rest of it though, we're going to notice that more of these showers start to move back in. They're generally pretty scattered here as we progress through the rest of it. So it's not going to be something that's widespread and just a downpour all day long, but you will have some of those torrential downpours as we progress through the day. Now with that, those are going to be my main concern, along with some gusty winds in the forecast. But as we go into your afternoon, look at this. I mean, look at the radar. You can see it's going to be generally pretty broken apart as it comes through. The reason we're seeing this and it's not really staying all put together the entire time is because those clouds are going to kind of keep us a bit cooler, and that's going to limit some instability. So we're not going to have the greatest, most severe thunderstorms, or I guess the worst, most severe thunderstorms. Everything's going to stay a bit more tampered with this one, but you still will see some heavy rains and ponding on the roads as this continues to roll through. As we get to tomorrow morning, most of it will be wrapped up by that point, and you'll still see a few showers left over in the morning, but we won't see too much of this as we get into the second half of the day. Could see a few sprinkles for some, especially if you live farther north, but I wouldn't expect to see much remaining at that point in time. Next thing we're watching, we've continued to watch, has been hurricane and then tropical storm, and now back to a Cat 1 hurricane, Ernesto, that's currently sitting off of the Atlantic, continuing to move off to the northeast, and just going to be a post-tropical low here shortly. The water is just getting a little bit too cold for it. You can see it's really not making its way towards us here, but even with that, we're still going to get some effects from this as it moves towards our area. The entire coastline is going to be under a high surf advisory, and is under a high surf advisory until 8 p.m. this evening. What that's going to mean is that we have some long period swell from this. Surf height is about 5 to 7 feet out there. We already have had some large breaking waves. Rip currents are up as well, so just be aware of all these things as we go through your day. Even with this, we have a full moon outside tonight once again. What that's going to mean is that is a stronger high astronomical tide, so you could see some splashovers mainly in southern Maine along the coastline. Cooler week ahead. I mean, you've noticed it over the weekend. Temperatures staying quite cool in the 70s, and even a little bit cooler here as the trough moves through over the next couple of days. So that's going to keep us even cooler. High temperatures probably going to be right around 70 degrees, if not upper 60s, and then we warm up a bit more here as we get towards the weekend. Good news is that'll come with some sunshine as well. Marine forecast seas at 5 to 8 feet out there, winds out of the southeast around 5 to 10 knots, and then we're going to see the water temperature 67 degrees. Still a small craft advisory until tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Here's your 7-day forecast. We have those scattered showers and storms for your day today, and some left over into tomorrow morning, but really by lunchtime everything should be wrapping up tomorrow. Some mountain showers possible on Wednesday and Thursday, but most of the state actually in a really nice stretch of weather after that. The humidity drops, temperatures stay a little bit cooler, you can see on there, but overall it's going to be a really amazing kind of stretch of weather as long as you're okay with slightly cooler temperatures. But if you're not, just wait a little bit longer. As we get towards the weekend, everything starts to warm right back up, getting to around 80 degrees by Saturday and Sunday. So really a nice stretch coming after all the rain that we have.
Yeah, it's definitely had kind of a September-ish feel that we've shifted into, but by the weekend, a reminder, we're not done yet with summer. Like, there's still plenty of heat out there for those who like that. All right, sir, thank you very much.